In a quiet corner of southwest Goias, Brazil, a medical anomaly unfolded that left experts and locals equally astounded. A 19-year-old woman, whose name remains private, recently gave birth to twin babies with different biological fathers. The phenomenon, known in scientific circles as heteropaternal superfecundation, is so rare that only about 20 cases have been documented worldwide. Though the occurrence is not impossible, it defies conventional expectations and challenges even the most seasoned physicians. In this extraordinary case, the young mother was as shocked as anyone when she first learned that the two infants, born only 9 months apart, did not share the same paternal lineage. The revelation came when, on their first birthday, she decided to test paternity and discovered that while one child's DNA matched the father she had presumed, the other child's did not. The doctor who attended the birth, Dr. Tulio Jorge Franco, explained to local media that such an event is possible when two separate eggs are fertilized by sperm from different men during the same menstrual cycle. It is possible to happen when two eggs from the same mother are fertilized by different men, he said. The twins share the mother's genetic material, but because they grow in separate placentas, each can have a different biological father. Although this phenomenon is common in some animal species such as cows, cats, and dogs, it is extremely rare in humans. Dr. Franco noted that only a handful of cases have been confirmed, and each instance provides an invaluable insight into the complexities of human reproduction. The biological process behind heteropaternal superfecundation is both fascinating and perplexing. Under typical circumstances, a woman ovulates 1 egg per cycle. However, in rare cases, she may release 2 eggs in a single cycle, a phenomenon known as hyperovulation. If a woman has sexual intercourse with more than one man during the period when both eggs are viable, it is conceivable that the sperm from different partners could fertilize each egg independently. The result is a set of twins who share the same mother but have different fathers. While the odds of this happening are astronomically low, advances in DNA testing over the past few decades have made it possible to identify and confirm such cases with remarkable precision. For the young mother from Goias, the discovery was as bewildering as it was life-altering. Until recently, she had lived a seemingly ordinary life, marked by the joys and challenges of youth. At 19, she had already become a mother, and while the unexpected circumstances of her conception were not something she had planned, they were a part of her reality, a reality that would soon be redefined by scientific inquiry and public fascination. In her own words, she admitted in an interview with local media that she had never known such a thing was possible. The revelation that her twins had been sired by 2 different men left her speechless, forcing her to grapple with questions of identity, trust, and the unpredictable nature of life. The case first came to public attention when, 9 months after the twins' birth, the young mother began to wonder about their paternity. When her daughter turned 1, subtle physical differences between the twins prompted her to question whether they might have different genetic fathers. With a mix of trepidation and determination, she arranged for a paternity test, in a moment that would change everything. The test results revealed that while one baby's DNA matched that of the man she had long assumed was the father, the other baby's DNA did not. In an interview with a local news outlet, she recalled the moment of revelation. "I remembered that I had had sex with another man and called him to take the test, which was positive. I was surprised by the results. I didn't know this could happen, and the babies are very similar." Her astonishment was matched only by the scientific interest that followed. Medical experts and geneticists have long understood that sperm can survive in the female reproductive tract for up to 5 days, which creates the narrow window during which fertilization can occur. In this particular case, the young mother's multiple encounters during that fertile period resulted in 2 eggs being fertilized by sperm from different men. The twins, although sharing the same mother, developed separately in distinct placental sacs. This separation is key to understanding how their genetic material could be so different. While they inherited half of their DNA from the mother, the paternal contribution in each case came from different individuals, leading to a situation where the twins' genetic makeup is markedly distinct in the portions derived from their fathers. Historical records of heteropaternal superfecundation in humans are sparse, yet they are not entirely unprecedented. In the early days of DNA profiling, a few cases emerged that captured both public attention and scientific curiosity. One notable case involved a set of twins in the United Kingdom, where it was discovered through routine paternity testing that the siblings had different fathers. Such cases, while sensational, have helped scientists better understand the nuances of human reproduction. In many animal species, heteropaternal superfecundation is considered an evolutionary strategy, allowing females to increase the genetic diversity of their offspring. In species like cattle, for example, it is thought to be advantageous in environments where genetic variability may improve the chances of survival against disease or environmental changes. In humans, however, the phenomenon is largely accidental, a rare occurrence that challenges the standard narrative of monogamous fertilization. For many in the scientific community, the case of the Brazilian woman is a compelling reminder of nature's unpredictability. Dr. Franco, who has similar cases, remarked that although only a few instances have been confirmed, the underlying biology is sound. What we see here is simply a natural consequence of the fact that the human ovary can occasionally release more than one egg during a single cycle. If a woman has sexual relations with two different partners during that time, it is entirely possible, albeit exceedingly rare, that the eggs will be fertilized by different sperm. His explanation underscores a critical aspect of human biology that is often overlooked. Reproduction is not always as straightforward as textbooks might suggest. Beyond the scientific interest, the case also raises significant ethical and social questions. How does a family cope when the very foundation of their identity is called into question? For the young mother, the discovery was a double-edged sword. On one hand, it provided her with a clear answer, resolving any lingering doubts about her children's paternity. On the other hand, it forced her to confront a complicated reality involving multiple partners and the potential implications for her relationships and future family dynamics. The revelation that the twins had different fathers not only attracted media attention, but also sparked discussions in academic circles and online forums about the nature of relationships, fidelity, and the unpredictability of human sexuality. In the days following the announcement, social media buzzed with reactions. Some expressed sympathy for the young mother, noting that life often throws unexpected challenges at even the most prepared individuals. Others marveled at the sheer improbability of the event, dubbing it the ultimate plot twist of modern biology. Discussions ranged from scientific explanations to personal anecdotes, as many shared stories of unexpected parentage or unusual family dynamics. For the woman herself, the public attention was overwhelming, yet she remained focused on ensuring that her would be loved and supported regardless of the circumstances of their conception. In addition to the human interest aspect, researchers began to explore the broader implications of heteropaternal Studies have shown that while the phenomenon is rare in humans, it may be underreported due to the social stigma associated with non-monogamous sexual behavior. In cultures where monogamy is idealized, cases like this one may be intentionally hidden or even suppressed. As DNA testing becomes more widespread, however, it is likely that more cases will come to light, challenging conventional wisdom about family structure and paternity. The phenomenon also holds lessons for genetic counseling and reproductive medicine. For instance, fertility clinics must be aware of the possibility of heteropaternal superfecundation, particularly when using assisted reproductive technologies. Although the condition is rare, understanding its mechanisms can help inform patients about the range of possible outcomes in multiple pregnancies. It also has implications for legal matters concerning child support, inheritance, and parental rights. As genetic testing becomes an integral part of modern medical practice, cases like the one in Brazil underscore the importance of thorough genetic counseling and transparent communication among all parties involved. For the twins, the discovery of their differing paternal origins may one day have profound implications for their identities. As they grow up, they will inevitably encounter questions about their family history and the circumstances of their birth. While many children are raised by single parents, blended families, or adoptive parents, The unique genetic makeup of these twins offers a window into a rare biological occurrence that challenges the norm. Experts suggest that with proper counseling and support, the twins can embrace their unique heritage as a part of who they are, a living testament to the unpredictable nature of human reproduction. In a country as vast and diverse as Brazil, where stories of passion, betrayal, and unexpected miracles often intersect, the case of the 19-year-old mother and her heteropaternal twins stands out as a scientific marvel. It serves as a reminder that even in the most carefully planned lives, chance and biology can conspire to create outcomes that defy expectation. For the medical community, the case is a valuable addition to the sparse literature on heteropaternal superfecundation, offering insights that may one day lead to a better understanding of reproductive biology and its myriad complexities. As the story continues to unfold, researchers and journalists alike are following every development with keen interest. The young mother, despite her initial shock and the public scrutiny that followed, has resolved to raise her twins with love, openness, and an understanding of the extraordinary circumstances of their birth. In interviews with local media, she expressed hope that her case would help demystify the science behind such rare occurrences and encourage a more informed discussion about the diversity of human reproduction. Her bravery in confronting a challenging situation and her willingness to share her story have already earned her praise from both the scientific community and the general public. In time, the case may serve as a benchmark for future research into heteropaternal superfecundation, prompting further studies into its prevalence, causes, and long-term effects on families. As more cases are documented through advanced genetic testing and open-minded inquiry, the boundaries of what is considered normal in human reproduction may expand, leading to a richer, more nuanced understanding of our biology. For now, however, the focus remains on the brave young mother from southwest Goias and her incredible twins, living proof that life is full of surprises, some of which are so extraordinary that they challenge everything we thought we knew. This astonishing story, which began with a chance encounter between a young woman and the unexpected outcome of multiple partners within one cycle, has ignited a spark of curiosity across the globe. It is a story that reminds us that nature is capable of surprises that defy logic and expectation. In a world where every detail of our existence is often meticulously planned, sometimes fate intervenes, weaving together strands of biology, chance, and human experience into a tapestry that is as complex as it is beautiful. For the twins, the future holds many questions that only time will answer. As they grow up, they may come to learn about the scientific phenomenon that makes their birth so unique. They may encounter curiosity and even envy from peers who marvel at the rarity of their genetic story. Yet, with the support of their resilient mother, they will also come to appreciate the incredible diversity of human life, a diversity that encompasses the full spectrum of love, complexity, and unexpected wonder. In the end, this case is not merely a headline or a statistical anomaly. It is a poignant reminder that life's most extraordinary events often occur in the unlikeliest of circumstances. It challenges preconceived notions about family, paternity, and the very nature of reproduction. For the medical community, the case offers fertile ground for research and discussion. For society at large, it underscores the importance of embracing the unpredictable nature of life and the myriad ways in which our stories can unfold. As scientists continue to explore the phenomenon of heteropaternal superfecundation, each new case contributes to a growing body of knowledge that may one day explain how a single cycle of fertility can lead to such diverse outcomes. Until then, the story of the Brazilian woman and her twins remains a powerful testament to the fact that nature's mysteries are often more intricate and awe-inspiring than we can imagine. It is a story of hope, resilience, and the enduring power of life, a story that will continue to captivate and inspire for generations to come. This is the story of a 19-year-old mother from Brazil who defied expectations by giving birth to twins with different biological fathers, a rare phenomenon that has left scientists, families, and the public in awe. Through her experience, we learn that nature's surprises come in many forms, and that sometimes the most extraordinary events occur when we least expect them. In the quiet region of southwest Goias, a single life and the miracles it can produce have opened a window into the complex, unpredictable world of human reproduction. A world where love, chance, and biology intermingle to create outcomes that are as perplexing as they are beautiful.